All right, hey, what's up, guys? It's Inkhati from Trade. This is my first Facebook Live with the computer, so I'm just gonna try to see if everything works. Seems to work fine. So I'm really excited to do this first live with the computer, so I'll be able to show you guys live chart on the screen, which I'm pretty amazed about. I think it's pretty cool. So we'll do that today. And what I wanted to do today is I wanted to show you a couple of graphs of what happened this week in the Forex market. So we'll take a few graphs and we'll try to look together on what happened and what we've been able to observe in the market the past week. So I'll take three or four major pairs to start with. I'm going to start with the EURUSD. This is a daily chart right now. What we see is that we have a couple of things happening at the same time on this chart, on this EURUSD daily chart. So the first thing I was interested in is this channel right there. Okay, so this has been creating an uptrend pretty recently in the past, pretty much all the way since the beginning of 2016. But then we started to break this channel not long ago, right? And then we kind of have this second channel forming, which I'll show you immediately. So this channel right there, which means that I would be more tempted to go on short trade for the EURUSD at this point, right? Of course, this can change, but the point is that we do have this channel at this point right now. And I'll just remove the moving average because they're pretty not important in that case. So the way I was looking to trade this pair during the past week is I was looking at this zone right there. This was a zone, a resistance zone now, a support in the past, and it turned out to be a resistance zone now. So I was looking to trade that pair. I do have a trade on EURUSD that I entered a few days ago based on this resistance line and the engulfing candle we have right there. Okay, so I do have a trade on this pair. But as you can see, the tendency now is more bearish because of the line. If you guys are watching this live, just let me know. Just like the video, let me know that you're watching this live because I don't have the full stats. It's hard for me to see how many people are there live. So type something if you're watching this live and I'll know it that way. Cool. And so that's pretty much it for EURUSD. Now this week, as you can see, we had a lot of sideways because this single thing happened, I think last week. Yeah, the 3rd. So yeah, last week. Okay. So this single thing candle happened last week, which means that this week we've been going down a little bit and then coming back up. So we're retracing a good part of the move. Now some people looking for Fibonacci might look for some sort of retracement here. Other people look for just a retracement and then go back in a selling trade. But the point is that we've been sideways for the past week. This is something that I'm not super fan of, right? This is GBPUSD. And there's not much to do here because since the Brexit move, we've really been sideways, right? We've really been between two limits and price move a little bit, not fast, like slowly. And we didn't do that much since Brexit happened. So we're still within the same range. And of course, I'm looking at this level right there, right? Because we're approaching that level. And it turns out that this is a round number, right? 1.28, it's a round number. So it shows that some buyers might be at that level. So we'll just be careful to see what happens around the 1.28 level. And I do not have any trade on this because trading sideways can be painful, right? You really have to go in and go out quickly. You don't have much room to go. And so if you're going to be a swing trader here, it's really painful. But if you're going to be day trader and you want to go on low time frame, it's totally possible. USDCAD, this is interesting. I've been trading that pair a couple of times in day trading, so for day trades. But what I was looking at is this, and I'll use another tool for that. So this up channel, basically. So going from here, we're kind of slowly breaking the channel, I feel. We'll see what happens in the following week. But this candlestick breaking out kind of tells us that we're breaking the channel a little bit. So we could still look at the support at this level here. And I think this is not a round number, but around 1.285. Okay, this is a good support that we had a couple of times in the past. And that's pretty much what I'm even right there. So that's pretty much what I'm looking for. But since we've been breaking that channel right here, I'm gonna guess, and this is only a guess, but we'll see what happens, that price is gonna somehow maybe drop a little bit here, and then we might consolidate a little bit, and we'll see then if we go back up or if we fall down. But two possibilities can happen at this point. And I'm just reviewing those charts as an end of week review. I didn't plan anything. I was just doing this first Facebook Live now, but we'll see what happened with that. I'm pretty curious. The point is that you can watch this level here, 1.285, or you can always look for more evidence of a trend, depending if you're trading in trend, if you're trading in trend, or if you're going to trade reversals or just sideways. So you have to look at that. AUD/USD, let me see. Yeah, this is going to be the last one I'm going to do for today, because I just wanted to do the major pair, to do that quickly, to really do this simple for this first Facebook Live. But I've been looking at basically this level here, which turns out to be around 0.775 basically, which is a level that we've had some resistance in the past. We're starting to see some bearish resistance, of course, right? With this, did the market close? Yes. So bearish engulfing candle right there. Okay, this shows us some bearish evidence on that pair. Of course, you need confirmation. You cannot enter the market right away, right? And if you're going to see my checklist that I have on desiretotrade.com, you're going to be able to find how I would trade those things. But you're going to see that you don't enter right away here. So you have to take a few more steps and look at a few different things to consider before entering the market at this point. But the thing that is not helping us right here is that we had an uptrend for quite a while. So we have this strong move, which did put some pressure from the buyers, right? We've been going up and up and up, always making higher highs. And so this is the reason why I wouldn't necessarily take a trade at that point. To me, engulfing candles are good, but if you look at many books or just trading in general, you're usually not gonna trade them against the trend, right? If you're gonna have a strong trend, you're probably gonna look for other things at this point. So we've been really kind of sideways as well, right? We do have this kind of sideways range from here all the way to here. And unless we cross those highs, so break out from those highs, we'll have to look at other things perhaps to enter the market, because right now it's really sideways. So guys, I was just trying to test the Facebook Live thing. If you're watching this live and you have a good quality, let me know, because I'm not sure how it looks, whether it looks good or bad. And so I'll really be taking your advice here. I'll really be taking your inputs on whether that looks great or not. And if you have any questions, just let me know, reach out to me. Check out the Facebook group at desiretotrade.com/group. You're going to be able to find a Facebook group, and it's totally free. It's a great way to network with other traders, meet people, and just interact with traders that way. And you can also check out desiretotrade.com. I have podcasts, I have a couple of things coming out, including the checklist that I talked a little bit about. So it's a full checklist on price action that you can use for free. So check it out. If you need any links, let me know. And it's really my pleasure to help you out. And so I know we have 500 people in that page right now, so I'm pretty excited about that. I really look forward to growing this page and making a good impact. And if you have any question, again, let me know. So I'll end the Facebook Live and you just reach out to me. Ciao.